Welcome to WTMCARS YouTube channel. WTM.cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The new 2025 Volkswagen Amarok. Volkswagen's 2025 Amarok will alter the premium pickup truck industry. The robust and sophisticated Amarok is for drivers who want power, technology, comfort, and off-road competence. Bold, modern, tough exterior. Striking design. The 2025 Amarok's fierce front fascia with a larger grille, elegant LED headlamps, and strong body lines emphasizes its strength. Larger sizes. The new model has a stronger stance, greater luggage room, and a larger cabin. Premium finish. Chrome trim, high-quality paint, and alloy wheels show Volkswagen's attention to detail. Power and versatility. An eco-friendly turbocharged gasoline engine and a strong V6 diesel engine are available in the 2025 Amarok. Both have great off-road and towing capabilities. The Amarok's standard 4-motion all-wheel drive technology provides outstanding grip on all terrains, from muddy trails to treacherous roadways. An Amarok's towing capability of 3,500 kilograms, 7,716 pounds, and payload rating make it suitable for work and pleasure. With big equipment or recreational trailers, it delivers. Inside, luxury and technology. The Amarok's interior has leather seats, a soft-touch dashboard, and ambient lighting, giving it luxury SUV comfort. The Amarok's high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system has wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. A quality sound system and voice commands complete in-cabin electronics. Full digital instrument cluster, adaptive cruise control, and wireless charging make lengthy rides simpler and more pleasurable. Off-road expertise. The 2025 Amarok's terrain management system lets drivers choose between sand, gravel, and rock driving modes to tailor the vehicle's performance to the area. Increased ground clearance. The Amarok can handle difficult trails with higher ground clearance and optional off-road tires. Safety and driving support. Advanced safety suite. Volkswagen's Amarok boasts adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. A 360-degree camera, front and rear sensors, and hill descent control provide confidence in difficult off-road terrain. Amarok R Special Edition. With a more powerful engine, stylish appearance, and distinctive off-road equipment, the Amarok R version is ideal for adventurers. Conclusion. The 2025 Volkswagen Amarok blends luxurious amenities with pickup truck sturdiness. The new Amarok excels on the job site and in daily driving with its strong engines, off-road capability, and luxury extras. For those seeking performance, flair, and adaptability, the new Amarok will impress.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.